start again. It's a rich thing.
We're back. Coming back at you. Showing y'all some more footage. Gonna get ready to put this pan in. Welder on up, like they say. Little spot welds. Pop some holes in the metal all throughout where I'm gonna put my spot welds at.
Perfect.
But yeah, just wanted to bring y'all along. And we'll be back. Alright. Got to pull out the welder. Spot welded in pretty good. I still need to finish spot welding it right here, but I didn't want to do too much because I got to do the other piece, spread it apart. I'm starting to put the bracket in. I just spot welded in a couple spots. She's starting to look good. Lining up real good. And then I'm gonna hop on the other side and do the same thing to this side. Make it look like that side. And then that side, then that. But yeah, she's coming together good. Wanted to show y'all what I got. This is gonna be the last thing I gotta fix right here. This little piece of metal. It's not too bad. All right, guys. Got her welded up together. Got one section done. 3 more to go. Looking good. She cooperated really well. Everything lined up really good, looking good. I ain't got no complaints. Other than that, I gotta do 3 more sections. But yeah, it's looking good, man. Looking good, looking good. Those are all the marks from me welding on the other side. That lets you know you got good penetration. But yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm gonna have to do that other side next. Looking rough. It's gonna look like this when I'm done. Well, it's gonna look better than that. Okay, you ain't gonna see none of those spot welds and stuff. I'm actually gonna rhino line the inside too. So that's gonna look real good. And yeah, I got the supports back on. Solid, man. This thing is solid again. This thing is solid again. Unlike this side. Unlike that. But yeah, it's gonna be the next section I gotta tackle. I don't know if I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But definitely coming out nice. I'm happy with it, I'm excited. Can't wait to finish up the bottom, paint it all black. Don't know if I'm gonna run on that line underneath. I might as well, especially if I'm gonna do the inside. It makes no sense not to do the bottom. So I probably will round line the bottom after I clean it up, make it look real nice. Put the transmission together on here and slap her together. Then I can start working on the body work. If I don't, tinker with the motor and get her running and driving first. But yeah, that's her. Coming together great. I appreciate y'all joining me. Y'all stay tuned.